Yeah.
It's broke. It's broke. It's broke. It's broke. It's broke. It's broke.
That's a pretty big hole. And there was lots of metal shavings and chunks all in here. So I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I'm not positive. I'm thinking I could probably get away, because everything was working fine, I could probably get away with just replacing the front half of the case and throwing it back in. I'm probably going to try that. But when I take the front of the case, it's going to depend on what I see when I take the front of the case off. If I see some stuff that doesn't look right, I'll go from there. But for now, I think I'm going to order a new front half of the case, put it on, and see how it goes.
6 months later.
Hey everyone. I know that it's been a long time since my last video. In fact, I only put up one video and then kind of stepped away and didn't do anything for a long time. But here, let's get a little update on where we're at and where we're going. So here's the Jetta. The transmission is back in and it is running. Actually, it's running really good. So I still need to clean that up, clean up the engine bay. But we are moving forward. It is running. We will go on a test drive here in a minute. I had to go and I had to clean out the interior because it had been sitting at my ranch for a long time, so it was stinky with rat pee and poop and crap. I had to get rid of. And so now it is clean. We will go for a test drive here in a few minutes.
Oh.
Then we'll go ahead and fire it up.
Okay, if I can join you.
Yeah, get in the passenger side.
Okay. Okay, I'm joining the video now.
Okay, Jay, be quiet. Not so loud. And one of the headlights is out, so it's going to be kind of difficult to drive at night.
Man, it smells in here.
Door, so it's not. What? Like what?
Not very that good.
Like what?
It doesn't smell like anything that I've smelled before. It just smells gross.
Oh yeah? Is it this? Is it this?
Not really.
Okay, then there's still a little bit of the rat smell. But I'll clean it some more and it'll get clean. Alright, let's close the hood. You can't go with me, so you're gonna have to go back in the house. And you have those shoes on the wrong feet and they're not your shoes. So it runs great. I had to replace the blower fan motor and the AC control unit. Did you hear me, Jay?
Yeah.
You can't come with me on the ride.
Okay. I don't know where to open.
Look at the handle right there. Yep, pull it and push.
Okay, I am now leaving the video.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye. Yeah, go in the house. Actually, you know what? We'll resume this tomorrow. I'll drive during the day when since I only have one headlight. Hey everyone. Alright, so this is where we're at. I was able to fix the transmission. I replaced the transmission. The car runs and drives fine. The oil pan needed to be replaced because someone had bottomed it out and cracked it, and they had tried to fix it with JB weld, and it wasn't holding up. So I ordered a new oil pan. It's right here. I went ahead and added a oil return, an VR6-10 oil return bung and cap for the time being. So that's on there. I'm about to add some RTV and add it back onto the car. I've already pulled the old oil pan off, so that's where we're at right now. I am going forward with the turbo conversion, or with the VRT. So that project is still a go, and I'm going to fill you guys in on some changes that I'm doing on some other project cars that I'm going to be moving forward with. I'm not going to be just putting out videos on the VRT. I'm not going to be putting out just videos on the VRT. I'm going to be switching back and forth between multiple projects that I'm running at the same time. I've changed what I'm doing with the FRS. I'm no longer doing an all-wheel drive VRT with an 01E. I'll be doing I'm doing a Ford modular 2-valve with a supercharger and a turbocharger, so it'll be twin charged, and a 4R75E transmission. It'll be rear-wheel drive with a Ford 8.8 rear end. I'm already building up the engine for that, and I'll be showcasing some videos on that. But that's where we stand right now. I'll videotape the installation of the oil pan. So, all right. Okay, so as you can see, I ended up not recording any drive time yet. I didn't record the installation of the oil pan either, just because it was too hard to get a camera underneath there at a good angle for the time being. Maybe I'll get a GoPro in the future so I can get it underneath and get stuff like that. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos, like I had said. I'll be posting up a video of some of the stuff I'm doing for the FRS. I'm building that engine, so I've got to do some stuff to the engine itself. I measured off the cylinders. The cylinders look great. We'll go from there. I'll be showing you guys the turbo I'll be using temporarily, at least for the VRT, here directly. All right,